Now, this next video focuses on what you might not know, which is most people who lease a vehicle believe at the end of the lease, you have to turn it back in, end of story, face the consequences if there's overages, and that sort of thing. Well, the question we're going to answer today is, do I have to turn in my lease vehicle? We get this question a lot. And the fact of the matter is, you don't have to turn in your lease vehicle. Again, you don't have to turn it in. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make this decision the best one. 4 months before the end of your lease, call the leasing institution to be sure of your payoff amount. That is the check you would cut to own the car outright. Then research and call around to see what your car would be worth on the open market. If it's higher than the payoff amount, you actually have equity in your lease vehicle that you can profit from. If your car is worth less than the payoff amount, that's the leasing institution's problem, not your problem. Simply turn it in at the end of the lease and let them deal with the negative equity. The next video, by the way, may be the most important in this series because it shows you specifically how to get the most money for your trade-in, or in this case, your lease trade-in. This is how to capitalize on the equity you may have at lease end. A hint, the trade-in is an entirely separate transaction. We'll get into that immediately next. Thank you for watching.